everyone, Lesleyanne here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Got a little shopping haul for you. Today we've been to B&M and Pets at Home. So for Pets at Home we got just some of this dog food. So this is another one we're trying. This has been recommended by the vet because we've been giving our dogs the Royal Canin one, and it's the one that helps with the weight loss for Ted. But every time you try to order it, you know, it's just never in stock. The vets are having trouble getting it in stock, the particular one that we want. It goes directly through to Royal Canin and it's constantly out of stock. It's just never there. So the vet recommended this one to us, and also she recommended Hills, so we looked at both of those, and we decided to give this one a go. So it's the weight management one, and it supports the health and immunity, etc. And she said to go for one like the weight management one, the one that's for an adult between 1 to 7 years, and the actual kibble inside is quite small because we have got small dogs. So, and then we decided to try this as well, so the wet food. So we'll give that a go, and then I just picked up the Pets at Home magazine, so it's a little freebie, so I'll have a look at that. So that was everything actually that we got in Pets at Home. But I have, whilst we were shopping, I did do a really sort of quick little video, and that'll be on probably a previous haul to this one. Anyway, then we went into B&M and got some other bits in B&M. Okay, I will start over here. So for Luke, picked up a pack of the Walkers. What's it? These are the, let me move, I can't read what it says, I've got dogs under my feet. Flaming Hot, so that's the big bag. And then we also picked up this for the fridge, because the one that I got, like the sort of clear plasticky one, it's a little bit too big, and also the handles here, it's actually snapped, but I think that's because it's a bit too big, and so it was sort of unbalanced in the fridge. So we decided to try this one. I'm sure that one will be fine. Again for Luke, because he's a spoiled boy, even though he's an adult. Some of the Moams, he likes these, they're his favourite, the joystick ones. Okay, and then picked up some of this food, the butcher's loaf, just for if we've run out for the other dogs. Sometimes they come and they run out of food, and so we just replace it. So got that for those. Then at the back, these, they're called Woof and Chew. They are tasty ribs, beef tasty ribs. Now, I got these with Buddy and Stan in mind. I'll show them to you. Buddy, hello baby. Stan, hello Baba. So as you can see, they're both big dogs, and they're here on their holidays. These, obviously, I would not give to our dogs. They are far too small for these. But I did send a message to the owner to say, are the boys allowed to have these, and photograph the front and the back so they could read all the ingredients and everything. And they said yes, definitely. So I have given them one each. They had a good old chew on it, and then they've kind of, I thought they've probably had enough for now, because they were starting to get, I think their mouths were getting a bit sore. So I've taken them away until sort of tomorrow. And this is what they look like. So, I mean, you know, they've had a really good gnaw on them. So I will just give them a wash and then put them in a container, and they can have them back again tomorrow for a little while. But yeah, they tried chomping through these, and as I say, I did ask permission, didn't I? Yes, I did. You've got to wait now because you've had enough, because you've had other treats. Got these for the two big ones as well, these jumbones. As you can see, they've already had those. These are the little mini ones, so there are some smaller ones in here. These are more for our dogs. And then got these sushi wraps. So they are literally, tell you what's in them. So it's literally cornstarch, chicken, vegetable glycerin, minerals, rice flour, cod skins, and rapeseed oil. So yeah, you can see they're very kind of like fishy. And then some of these. They haven't had all of these in one day, by the way. I've just sort of like pulled them back out to show you. So these obviously haven't got any rawhide. I wouldn't buy anything with rawhide in it. That's the dog treats. Needed some more cheese until I get my shopping on Wednesday. So just got a small block of cheese. Chris wanted some M&Ms, so that's what he got. Some Marmite, because we're out of Marmite. Some Skittles. These are just lots of little bags in here, 18 little bags. And I just thought they're easy. If I fancy something sweet, or any of us do, we can just have one little bag to sort of get over that craving. And it tells you how many calories, 71 calories a bag. So whichever plan you're on to try and lose a bit of weight, if you are on one at all, you can kind of work it out that way. And then for a gift for somebody, we got this. So it's the Gordon's Tropical Passion Fruit Gin. I'm sure that is delightful. Then also got this as another gift. So this is the Coffee Topper collection, and it's the barista. So it's the little powders and that you pop on top of your coffees. So you've got vanilla sugar, cinnamon powder, chocolate sprinkle, cocoa powder, and then you've got your little sort of template thing there. So I thought that's quite sweet. And then last but not least, some wool. So I've got 4 balls of wool. So I've got this to start to crochet a baby blanket for our next grandchild. So it's going to be grandbaby number 10, who is due in April. And so yeah, going to start to crochet a blanket. And then obviously it's completely gender neutral, doesn't matter if it's a boy or girl, because the colours are all suitable. But that is everything that I got from the 2 shops that we went to. So I thought I would just share those with you, and can pop everything away again. See you in the next one, my lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget, big thumbs up-a-roo, and I'd love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.